Okay, I will be taking you towards the study plan for IELTS, and the study plan is actually a quick program for all the students. When you study IELTS from us, when you're preparing IELTS with VMAS Career Consultants, you will be getting certain deliverables. Deliverables are the things that you will be taking home with you. And what is that? It will be understanding each module separately. Okay, see, I believe in teaching which makes sense, which a student can understand. So I'll be teaching each section, okay, listening separately, reading separately, writing separately, and speaking separately. It's not that in just 2 days I'll explain you everything and then tell you, okay, practice, 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 practice. No, we are going to break down and then practice on each section individually so that you understand the logic and you apply that logic as well. You will be also getting vocabulary of more than 100 words, which you can use in your IELTS writing as well as speaking. And that's not just the vocabulary and the meaning. You will also have the examples also for that. So how to apply the word in a sentence, you will be getting that as well. We will be actually doing an activity. It's just a 5-minute activity of learning 5 words daily and then apply them in IELTS writing and speaking. So it's not this you have taken the 100 words vocabulary, but I as a trainer, I will ensure that you're learning 5 words on the daily basis. You will also get ebooks on listening, reading, writing, and speaking, which comprises of complete details and notes. When I say details and notes, it's a step-by-step procedure. If you get matching heading in reading section, so what is the process of solving the matching heading? What are the steps one needs to follow? So my notes and my book will have the detailed notes for all the students. And most of the students, they check on Google, they check on YouTube, or they will ask their friends, they will borrow books from here, they will purchase books. But my ebooks is everything, because as a trainer I have to ensure that I go through various material and prepare something which is a crux of everything, which is a summary of all the books, and I have prepared this for all my students. It's a complete detail. You will be also getting solved examples from the IELTS writing, which is your report writing and your essay writing. And then essay writing topic specific vocabulary. I understand that most of the students are running short of time. They want to prepare IELTS in a quick period of time, and some students are not so proficient in English, so they do face a problem when they say, okay ma'am, we can't find the reasons, we cannot think on the vocabulary. So I have worked on the topic specific vocabulary for the students that you will be getting from us. Apart from this, you will be getting ebooks. Okay, you will be getting ebooks of Cambridge IELTS 5 to 14, which will include your 40 practice test. Let me tell you, I do not rely on downloading study material from any of the websites, and because that is not authentic. So I always ensure that as a master trainer, I always ensure that I give the study material which is authentic. And as you must be knowing that when you book your test from British Council or IDP, you get certain study material from them. So I will be sharing the PDF of that study material because I believe that is authentic. So what's the study plan? So before I share the study plan with you, I would be also sharing a test in which you will be evaluating yourself. So as you enroll with us, the day of enrollment and the day before the class, you will get a test which is Vandana's test, and this test is made by me. So we can just check the current level of the student, and then we can analyze, how much time does the student takes to prepare. Okay, coming to day one. Day one, you will be learning speaking. You will be understanding speaking. Speaking has three tasks, which is introduction and interview, long turn, and the discussion. So, what happens in the speaking? You will be getting my book, and this is the book that I have prepared for my student, and it covers everything. It covers your idea generation. It covers the way you should speak. It covers the script, answered script, as well as it covers an unanswered script. So you have a question, what you should speak, even a bit of lines, just a sentence. So it has everything for you. And then I will be explaining you the scoring, why, on what basis you are marked, and what are the common topics that are usually covered in speaking. So based on the common topics, and these common topics are actually have the questions which are answered, so you can go through that. As you read, you are actually taking the knowledge. So you are reading it and you are getting the ideas. Strategy to speak fluently, what are the do's and don'ts of speaking. And we will be also doing the same speaking in the class as well. So I'll be timing you when we talk about cue card. So I'll be doing the timing of that, and I'll give you 2 minutes to speak on, I'll give you 1 minute to prepare, and then we'll be working on the improvement strategies and how to do the time management in your speaking. Coming to day 2 and 3. In day 2 and 3, we'll be covering the listening section. But before I proceed, some students may have a doubt that in just one day we have covered the speaking. Okay, so let me just tell you, when I say just one day we have covered the speaking, it means that we still have more days to go. So now if I still have more days to go, so each day every student, they will be sharing their speakings with me individually, not in the class, apart from the class, and we will be sharing feedbacks on that. So what happens if I tell you the speaking concepts from day one? So you're doing speaking on a daily basis and you're improving that. So that's the reason I take up speaking on day one. Now day 2 and 3 is for listening. Please understand that this class is your is your concept clearing class, is your you know understanding the item type itself, understanding what happens in listening. So on day 2 and day 3, we will be actually covering the listening. And what happens on day 2, I'll be covering listening part 1 and part 2. So listening as a whole has 4 parts, which from which you get 40 questions. So in day 2 of listening, I'll be covering part 1 and part 2, and you will be practicing on that. And in day 3, I'll be covering part 3 and part 4. So common type of questions will be explained. You will again get listening book from my side, with the book which has been prepared by me. And this book is absolute blessing for the students, because I have worked out the strategies, I have worked out the step by step guide to answer each type of question. Many students face problem in math, many students face problem in matching heading, or many students face problem in multiple choice questions. So it's a step by step guide. It has those words even, which will help you to identify which is the right answer and which is the wrong answer. And then it will give you the tips to score 6.5 and more bands. Now day 4 and 5, I'll be covering reading. Again, when I say 2 days, reading majorly has 4 types of questions. As per me, I have categorized, on net you will find 10 types of questions in reading, but I have majorly categorized them in 4 types. So 2 types I'll be covering on day 4, and 2 other types I'll be covering on day 5. So what happens in reading? You will be getting, first of all, you will be getting the study material from me. That is my book, ebook. to work on all these strategies, step by step guideline to answer each type of question. And important terms to know in reading, you will be also getting some important terms that you should know in reading, and each question type practice done. This is something very important. It is not just I will explain you, okay, this is the steps, now do it at your home. No, I will be doing the solving the questions, following the same steps, so that you can also apply the same steps and get to the right answer. So I'll be showing you how to apply those steps, how to apply that, the those steps, and getting to the right answer. So we will be working on that as well. Coming to writing, task 1. Okay, task 1, report writing for academic students. I have devoted 3 days. Okay, report writing is something difficult, lengthy. It has many items that are covered in this. So I have taken 3 days. So your day 6, 7 and 8 is for report writing. If you look over here, you have a pie chart. Some students get pie chart, then there is a bar graph, then there is a map, and then line graph, then there is a process and table, and sometimes we may get a combination of a pie chart and a bar graph, or table or a bar graph. So this is huge, and I will be taking up three particular images on one day and the other three on the other another day. I'll be sharing vocabulary for each image with you. So vocabulary for bar graph is different, and vocabulary for pie chart is different. So vocabularies cannot be used, you cannot use same vocabulary for bar graph and a pie chart. So I'll be sharing vocabulary for each image, and various types of image will be explained. We'll be going through the structure of writing. Structure is something that is really important for anyone to get a good score in writing. If you are not following the structure that is specified by IELTS, you will not get the score. So structure is important, related vocabulary is important, and what are the do's and don'ts of report writing. Along with that, in these 3 days, it's not just that I'm telling you, okay, this is how it is done, and I give you the practice exercise and I go on a mute. No, I will be typing, okay, I will be writing it down so that you get to know how it is done. So on day 9, 10 and 11 is your essay writing, which is task 2 of writing. Again, essay writing is not easy. There are various types of essay that you get, and then when we talk about the various types of essay, each essay has its own vocabulary to be used, and I will be also sharing templates. Again, I'm going to share templates with my student for essay writing, so that you don't have to really stress a lot in getting the right sentence and looking at the structure. So this will be shared with by me, and you also have a writing book from me. So this writing book has all the vocabulary, has all these structures, and when I say structure, it's not that you have to write introduction, BP1, BP2, and then conclusion. No, what sentence you can use in introduction, how you can start with your BP1, BP2, and how you can come up to conclusion. So I have the script, I would say. You just have to fill in the blanks. Okay, you just put the fill in the blanks, and you will at least crack to the desired score. Before I proceed, let me also tell you, you may find that this course is quite quick. This is not quick. This is the exact way I think you are taught at any education center or any IELTS preparation center. It is just because you go there. It's not that the trainer is explaining everything to you on the daily basis. You majorly go there and practice. But when you are studying with me, it's a pandemic time, it's a lockdown time, we are not allowed to go out. So it's the right way of studying, that you don't have to stretch, that you will study for 1 month and 2 months. No, because the study material is shared with you, the strategies are shared with you. So now once you know the strategies, you will be practicing on your own, and whenever you need a trainer, the trainer is always there to guide you. The trainer is always there, just a phone call away. So you can always contact me. But I am not amongst the trainers wherein I will maybe the class is on, and then I'll tell you, okay, we'll do reading today, and then you all are doing reading and I'll just go offline mode. So I have prepared this test, understanding the need of the hour, understanding the need of the student, how to prepare for IELTS in a short span of time but get the same score. Day 12 to 15. So if you see, in speaking we covered the first day, the next 2 days we covered listening, the next 2 days we covered reading, the next 3 days we covered task 1, and the next 3 days we covered task 2 of writing. So we still have 12, 13, 14, 15. So we still were left with 4 more classes: day 12, day 13, day 14, and day 15. So in this I'll be keep I'll be doing a quick review session of each section, which is one day speaking, one day reading, one day listening, and one day writing, which is kind of a mock test for you. Okay, day 12, it's a speaking session, and the speaking session will be all together. Plus, it's an essay writing review. So, whatever essay you will be getting, I will be sharing the essay topic with you a day prior. You will write that essay, share it with me, and then in that class, I'll be giving my reviews to you on your essay writing. We will be covering some topics from the past paper. We will be doing some time management in the speaking, and you will be also sharing your speaking recordings with me, and then I'll be sharing my feedback on that. And then we will also look at the how to generate ideas. So it's more of a activity session, it's more of an interactive session. Day 13 is a practice session for report writing and essay writing, in which we'll be reviewing the samples of essay and report, find error and compare with own writing, and what are the various ways that we can improve. It's like finding the improvements. On day 14, it's a reading session. So we'll be going through IELTS reading test and solve together each question. So each question will be solved together, and then also look at why this is the answer. So we are not looking at giving the answer. We'll be also looking at why the answer is this. There will be a doubt clearing session, and then obviously if we are doing any mistakes, those mistakes will be discussed. Day 15 is the day of sharing the tips and sharing the feedback, and it's more of a question and answer day, that because that's the last day of the class. So it's more of an open day for all the students to come up with any thoughts. Maybe we'll have a speaking, or maybe we'll just cover up question and answer. So it's kind of an open day, but it's always welcome. Apart from the classes, what else you will be getting from us? You will be getting some online links. It's kind of a study plans from British Council, because there are a lot of links that British Council shares. So I'll be sharing those online links with you so that you can go on some extra practice. Other than that, there are certain links that you can use for your vocabulary creation, and there are certain links for your improvement in English grammar that I'll be sharing with you. Other than this, if you look at this is something which is quite important for all the students. Home practice schedule. So this is what I was telling you. You are just not studying with me for 1 hour 30 minutes. You are actually doing the task that I give you. Okay, I am giving all this task to you, and then you are sending your answers to me. You're sending your writing, you're sending your speaking, you're sharing your listening scores, you're sharing your doubts with me. So it's not just 1 hour 30 minutes. I think for the 15 days you are completely into IELTS, and then you have a trainer who will give you the feedback as well. So this is the home practice schedule. If you look, I have specifically written the book names also. IELTS 14 and then IELTS 13. So it's a plan that is, that has been created after a lot of thoughts, so that you prepare good in a short span of time. Okay, what is the study material that you get from us? You will be getting Cambridge books, and it's not just 1 to 9. You will be getting books from 1 to 14. You will be getting the PDF from us, and then you will be getting, it's a kind of a PDF, and it's very good essay writings. It's very good for students to go through it. So I'll be sharing PDFs with you. IELTS band 7 vocabulary. This is created by me. It's 100 words vocabulary. That is book which is made done by me, that I'll be sharing with you. IELTS Made Easy. This is a book that is again written down by me, and it's a compilation of all these strategies for listening, reading, writing, and speaking. This book you get from me. And then IELTS topic vocabulary. So, topic specific vocabulary, again, you get this also from us. So, this is the study material that you will be receiving from us. Stay home and please learn online. Do not ever think of going to any institute. It is just my personal advice to all the students. So stay home and practice online. If you still have any doubts, you can always contact us. Enroll with us immediately for the right guidance and the right preparation on IELTS. Thank you.